All right, so some interesting shit that we've been doing all around an advertising strategy that I've been testing in my own business with great success, but also on my clients' businesses. You guys know that I manage the businesses for some of my clients under some consulting kind of arrangements, which are very, very cool. And I've been doing that for a while, and I really, really love it. So here's the strategy. Let's have a look at this product detail page. Because right now, on this page, so this is a Tefal professional non-stick cookware, potware pans, okay? So what other marketing have we got on this page? So we've got a sponsored listing here. We've got frequently purchased together here. We've got brand advertising here, brands related to this category on Amazon, and we've got sponsored products related to these categories. So there's a lot of other people trying to steal the sale from this particular company. There's a lot of other people competing on the product detail page to steal the sale from this particular company. And that kind of got me thinking about how I could use that to my advantage, the ability to place adverts directly onto the product details page. And most folks, when they think about that, they think about running their own ads on other people's product details pages so they can steal their sales, which is a really very, very good thing to do. You absolutely should do that. But it got me thinking, how can I use that in a different way? How can I use it to either sell other shit that I do or protect the sale on the page? So this strategy, I think, is a must for anybody who's selling their products on Amazon. I believe you should go and implement this immediately, all right? So what you want to do is this. And first of all, let me tell you the strategy, and then I'm going to tell you how to do it. So what you will do, what we're going to try and get to, is a point where every single piece of advertising space that Amazon tries to sell on your product details page, you are the advertiser for that space. So here, for instance, this particular one just here, this Tefal one just here, I don't know if I can highlight that for you, hopefully there, but you can see that, I'm sure. I want to own that space just here. Can I get it without clicking on it? I can't, unfortunately. Hopefully you can see that, the Tefal one over on the right hand side. The frequently purchased together one, that's a little bit more difficult, although there are ways that you can game that I've covered in Inner Circle. The brands related, well, you can get yourself there. And the sponsored products related to this listing, you can get yourself there too. And if we go to the top, so typically there's nobody doing it on this listing, but you can actually get a top banner as well on the page, which falls under the advertising of brand, so brand promotion. You can usually get a top banner on a listing as well. Nobody's got it on this one, which is a missed opportunity. So let's go through all those things and why it's important. So why would you do this? Well, it pushes competition off of your listings. It increases brand awareness. It exposes repeat customers. So you can use it to expose repeat customers to your other products. So if you've got a product that's a consumable and people are coming back time and time again to order it, you can run traffic on your own listing for your own products to advertise other stuff that you sell. It can provide customers that haven't committed to your shopping another way to convert them as well. It's like extra selling you can do on your listing. It also, I think, as well, improves the overall look of your listing as well. If you own all of the advertising space on your listing, your real estate just looks better. So that's the idea behind it, all right? So how'd you do it? Let's just pull up here. So very, very simple. You've got 3 different types of advertising you can run: sponsored products, sponsored brand, and sponsored display. The ones that you really, I think, must do is the sponsored products. and the sponsored brands. Okay, they're the two. Sponsored display right now, my own results and the results we've been able to get for our clients right now, it's just not great. It's just not great. That may change in a month, 2 months, 3 months, who knows? But right now, I don't think you need to do it. So just do sponsored products, sponsored brands, all right? And typically, what I do is I do a like a catch-all approach. So I'm going to put on my sponsored product ads, I'm going to go after my own ASINs to run my own traffic on them. So that's how you do it. You go for your own ASINs, so a placement campaign, to run your own ads on your own placements. And you can do that, which is weird, but you can absolutely do that. Pretty simple to do. Hopefully you already know how to set up your Amazon PPC ads and Amazon product placement ads. I've already covered that, but you're just going to go after, set up a new campaign where you go after your own stuff, all right? And then sponsored brands, again, you'll just go after your own products with your own brand. It's again as simple as that, all right? And it works super, super well. I've covered the setup in other trainings, so there's no point me going over that again, but that's the idea. So, quick recap. Target your own ASIN with product targeting campaigns. There's less competition that way. You'll make a much cleaner product details page. You get more exposure, and I promise you, you will get more sales. And the ACOS on those sales is stupidly good. Stupidly good. Sponsored products, sponsored display, you should be doing, I don't think you should be doing that just yet. And then sponsored brands, I think, is kind of good, and you should absolutely be doing that. So in order of importance, sponsored products, number 1, sponsored brands, number 2, sponsored display, number 3. That's how I would put that together. And then at the high level, you know, if you've got all 3 of those running, you've got a very cohesive, very clean product details page where you own the show. It's a super, super cool strategy to do. All right, so that is an advanced strategy, as I said. So if you don't understand it, that's cool. Don't freak out. Just know that's an advanced strategy, and I like to include more advanced things for the people who are in my Advanced Inner Circle on these Q&As. If you don't get it, don't stress. It's no big deal. It's not a big deal, okay? You will do as you progress and become more advanced. You'll get it. But for now, if you're unadvanced, that's the strategy. Works like gangbusters, okay? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.